got it. What's up, Anthony? How you feeling?
I'm a champion!
There's Nicole. Nicole, what's going on?
Rain or shine, next Monday, baby.
What is this exercise called you're doing?
X.
X, baby. What's up, Craig?
D, champion!
Everybody say, come on, Craig.
Come on, Craig!
And we got Janeka over here getting it in. Janeka, how you feeling?
Good.
Is that right? Awesome. Look at this exercise. We going hard. The whole group, non-stop. Already, that's 25, 26, 27, 28. Even on the rainy day, we don't stop. Keep going it in. I told you this is the Beast team. This show, just in case y'all don't know, this is what we do, baby.